Morning to you once again, and now we get to step into our tech note this morning, and we're going to be looking at advancing ACF's core objectives. So we do have the Seeds of Gold initiative that runs on an annual basis, and this time round it has come back with another exciting edition. Getting into the updates of this initiative and understanding what are going to be the focal areas this time round, and being joined by my panelists, I do have Mr. John Han Karyevara, who's the relationship manager, agribusiness and green finance, and this is with Pride Bank. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
On the milestone.
Thank you.
That's a very, very big milestone.
Indeed,
for you.
It was, and it has been, and we thank God for that.
Yeah. And the fact that you also do have now, a whole complete department for agribusiness.
Oh yes, of course, it's a privilege, because when you look at the 70% of the population being involved in agriculture, it's a great opportunity for us as Pride Bank to make sure that whoever is involved in agribusiness, enterprises and any other entrepreneur, be able to access finance, so that we're able, once people, the growing population needs food, and we shall be good to go if people are not starving. And that's the main and ultimate goal, to ensure that we boost farming businesses. All
right, and also from Bank of Uganda, we do have team leader, publicity and customer support, Dorothy Namarome. Yes, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
And I know that Bank of Uganda has steadily been alongside Seeds of Gold. What are some of the benefits that you have witnessed?
Thank you very much, Priscilla, and good morning, viewers. Some of the benefits that we have realized with this partnership, first of all, I would like to give an old African adage that if you want to walk fast, you walk alone. But if you want to go far, you walk together. So Bank of Uganda has realized that this partnership has very many advantages. It helps you overcome obstacles that may be financial, skills gap, and information. So it has helped us, whereas we are doing the financial part of it, we are creating a forum where the farmers can get information under one roof from the financial institutions, from the insurers, from the experts, agriculture experts from NARO. So we have seen the numbers go up in terms of portfolio. We have seen improved agriculture levels. We have seen good breeds coming up. And there are many success stories, and that is why we shall continue providing the financial blood of this system.
And on the side of Bank of Uganda, the fund has also been able to grow because of that, syndicate, synchronized growth.
Yes. The ACF is 15 years old, and recently we celebrated with a PFI award ceremony where we're able to recognize the participating financial institutions that have been successful with us. And to note, the numbers have grown to 6,587 projects that have been financed, totaling 1.12 trillion. So that is no mean feat in our eyes.
All right, for the side of Pride Bank, Mr. John, we want to understand the collaboration between your bank and Seeds of Gold. What are those strategic items that you're looking at that you want to benefit with this collaboration?
Thank you very much, and good morning once again, our viewers. Number one, the strategy that Pride has is to ensure that each and every farmer is able to access finance. And when we look at our partnership with Gold, we share the strategy. With Seeds of Gold, the intention is to make sure they look for the entrepreneurs within the agribusiness space, promote them, and when we came up and we realized that the vision is the same. So our ultimate goal is to reach to the farmer, the downmost, the common person. We increase production and productivity. So Seeds of Gold and Pride Bank have partnered together to make sure that they have enhanced the farmer, improving the productivity and the production.
Okay. Dorothy, let's talk about milestones and indicators with the Agriculture Credit Fund over the course of collaboration. In what are those indicators and the milestones that you can say indeed there's been a drive to the agriculture transformation across the country?
Okay, besides the number of projects that have been financed, we have also seen that the participating financial institutions have increase their confidence in lending to the agriculture sectors. About 10 years ago, if you walked into a financial institution, you may not have found a desk for agriculture specifically. But right now, because of the success stories, they have realized that yes, we can also do this. So they have introduced those desks. Like he said, he's the relationship manager of the agriculture in Pride Bank. We have also seen agro-industrialization, because when the ACF was set up, its primary role was to help farmers, first of all, to move from the subsistence farming to commercialized farming through agro-industrialization. Now, what is agro-industrialization and what does it achieve? It helps to add value to products. Now, with value addition, you have products that have a longer shelf life, and with a longer shelf life, you can get into the international market. When you get into the international market, what are you doing? You're increasing the export earnings of the country. And you're also increasing the employment levels. I don't know whether somebody mentioned that 70% of the population is involved employed in projects related to agriculture. So we have seen that improving also employment opportunities. We have also seen that other businesses have come on board. Agriculture insurance, for example. Now, when we go for these outreaches, the agriculture insurance companies also on board with us, because they have realized that farmers can also benefit from the insurance. So we have given creation of facilities insurance. Then we have also seen financial inclusion. There are banks, like you said, who have intention to reach out to the small borrowers. One of the milestones we have achieved and are very proud of as Bank of Uganda is a product called the block allocation. This is a product that allows a farmer to access loans without the traditional collateral requirements. They have alternative security collateral requirements. For example, they can use the bank statements, they can use the cash flows, they can use group guarantees, they can use the chibanjas, simple chattel mortgages in the house, your fridge, your sofa sets, to get a loan less than 20 million. And this has improved financial inclusion. Yes, that is one of the very important things, because credit is not easy to get, but once you're able to satisfy the needs of the small borrower, then I think we are very happy with that.
Okay. Yes. John, on the side of Pride Bank, of course, you've just been converted to a bank, but before you established yourself as a microfinance, and you were supportive of agribusiness or agri-ventures by and large. What are some of the milestones that you have realized in your support to these entities, these businesses at various levels?
Thank you very much. First of all, as Pride Bank, when you look at our journey, we have actually been able to support and change lives of hundreds of thousands of farmers within our group, within our lending models, both individual and as groups. And we are able to attest to that when we look at our increasing and growing portfolio. And now that we have attained another milestone of Tier 2, the sky also won't be the limit as well. So we also have, my sisters talked about ACF. We are participating financial institution with Bank of Uganda for these funds that are coming from the government of Uganda. And they have actually benefited farmers. The interest rate is at 12%, and it is a very good rate, which has actually benefited farmers, and more so that at the lower level of the value chain, that is production. And it has boosted their incomes, it has boosted their enterprises, and we are very happy about that. And then the government also came up with a nice initiative recently of the large-scale commercial farmers, and this one is entirely interest-free. And farmers are benefiting as we talk. We are happy to collaborate with the government, because with agriculture, financing work, or the ability to make sure that people in agribusiness access finance, you can't do it in unison. So you need insurers, you need the government, you need the Bank of Uganda, and when such scheme came up, we are happy that it's also going to give us a greater milestone as far as growing agribusiness is concerned. Okay.
In that regard, then we ask ourselves, what's the type of assistance that farmers should be expecting from Pride Bank with this year's Seeds of Gold?
Well, Seeds of Gold, we are having a farm clinic in West Nile that is upcoming. First of all, when we talk about accessing finance, it is not majorly getting money, because anyone can get money. But what is important is before you get the money, you should know why you're getting the money. What is the right purpose? What is the seasonality? What market are you targeting? So we equip our farmers or our clients that with all of that information, we equip them with knowledge, financial literacy, so that they're able to know that I'm investing here, this is what I'm expecting, these are the risks involved, and what is, in case of the risks that are involved, what are the mitigants that are there. Okay. And we look forward to empowering them that way. And of course, the other hand, when we give them knowledge, we know that which kind of scale of production are they in. Okay. If the scale of production is large scale, then of course you need equipment. So we go for our loans that are to do with asset financing. Okay. Do you need a dryer? Do you need a combine harvester? Do you need an implement? Do you need a tractor? Then we come in as Pride Bank to make sure that we equip you with the machinery that is right for production. All right.
As we close this conversation, Dorothy, according to the Minister of Finance, money has come. It begs the question from Bank of Uganda's side, what can farmers expect, especially in regards to the allocations that have been given, particularly from the new budget that are responsive to farmers' needs?
Yeah, thank you very much, Priscilla. I would also first take this opportunity to thank the government, because the budget gave us 50 billion on top of what they have been giving us. And as Bank of Uganda, we are going to, we have a marketing strategy to reach out to the farmers, and we continue to engage the financial institutions because they are our partners in this. We are going to strengthen the marketing strategies. We are going to reach out countrywide, and we are telling the farmers, please do not listen to anybody who says that the money is over. When we reach out in the field, they tell us, when we go to the banks, they tell us the money is over. My brother is here as a testament to confirm that the money is available, and it's a call out to the farmers to come and attend these clinics. Knowledge is power. Even the Bible says people perish because of lack of information. So we are going to, as much as possible, enable people to get information on what is available. NARO has developed very many what do they call them, methodologies. They've done a lot. So we want farmers to adopt this technology. So we shall continue supporting the Seeds of Gold, even with other private arrangements. We tell farmers, organize yourself in groups. We shall come and give you the knowledge. And then with that knowledge, we send you to the financial institutions to get the money.
Bank of Uganda, thank you so much for your continued trust in Seeds of Gold, Dorothy. And of course, welcome aboard Pride Bank, John. And the team will be glad to have you and your partnership continued with Seeds of Gold farm clinics for us as Nation Media Group. Now, as we come to the end of Morning at NTV, we do have our very own baby in the house. And this is baby Murungi Ruth, who is part of our sales team here at Nation Media Group in a Daily Monitor. Happy birthday to you. You do have a sweet message coming in here. Happy birthday, wishing you a day filled with laughter, with love, and the quiet joy of knowing how far you've come. Take a moment to breathe it in. You're doing better than you think. Here is to another year of growth, of surprises, and becoming even more of yourself. So happy birthday to you, dearest Ruth. On behalf of Chris Higeni and myself, Priscilla, Regina Nawoga, and the entire production team behind the scenes, we wish you nothing but the very best of your